Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Coulson here from DetailKing.com, and today we're going to go over our STS3000 polymer paint sealant.
Our STS3000 polymer paint sealant is one of the finest long-lasting car paint sealants on the market. STS3000 can easily be applied by hand or orbital. It uses a unique blend of polymers, resin, and Zonyl that will form a durable protective coating that lasts 9 to 12 months. You'll want to use STS3000 as your final step in your paint correction process. STS3000 will protect your hard work for 9 to 12 months. To begin sealing the paint with STS3000, we will take our Flex 3401 polisher and one of our Lake Country Red Ultra Soft wax and sealant pads and dispense 5 small dots of STS3000 onto the pad. On the lowest speed setting, we will begin working STS3000 into the paint, making sure to cover all of the painted surfaces. After we've covered the vehicle in STS3000, we will allow it to dry to a haze for 10 to 20 minutes. Now would be a good time to apply tire dressing and clean the windows while you wait for STS3000 to cure. After drying to a haze, remove STS3000 with a clean, soft microfiber towel and avoid getting the vehicle wet for 24 hours after sealing. You can still apply a coat of wax over STS3000 after you've removed it, which will enhance the shine even more.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. For more information on our STS3000 polymer paint sealant and all of our other great auto detailing supplies, visit us on the web at DetailKing.com, where we have everything you need to be a detail king. Bye guys.